No, but it's been good catching up with you.
It's been good catching up with you too.
No, like for real, like you're like my best male friend. Yeah, you like my only female friend for real.
Really?
I don't have no female friends.
I'm surprised.
And it's like the longest we've been on the phone before. What time is it? I feel like it's getting late. Hey, I don't know. Let me check. Oh, it just turned midnight. Oh, damn. Hello? Dang, I ain't know it got that late. That's a foolish mistake that I'll never make again. What happened to your voice? Yeah, what you wearing right now? What you wearing? A bonnet? A bonnet? And a hoodie. A hoodie? Hey, how about you take that off for me? Take it off for you? What do you mean take it off for you? My fault. Type shit.
Nah, but what you doing right now?
Nothing. I was just gonna